Hi, welcome to my video today on the brushless 18 volt DCW200. I will put the description up there so you can see it and then remove it. So fresh out of the box. I've got the other model, which is a 110 volt one, but for sometimes when you just want to do an odd bit or whatever, you don't want to get to your van, get out transformer and all the rest of it. So I thought I'd invest in this, circa £150 for those who are interested. What to say, fresh out of the box, you can see. So DCW200N. That's all it comes with, is that, and that. Just check something else. No. And an instruction manual. But you don't really need the instruction manual. Obviously that's for dust collection. That's for punching your paper, which I'll show you in a minute, which I'm actually just going to put on first, because this is exactly the same process as the model I had before, in every detail, apart from this is 18 volt and that one is 110. So obviously that just clips under there nicely like that. It's fiddly, but it will do it. Just like that, that's good. Back down there, you turn that over. Double, because I turn some paper around sometimes. Too long actually, that bit. Just double that back. Because I like value for money, I don't buy original squares that I dread to think how much they cost. I did look once, they were just absolutely astronomical. Just for sake of ripping the paper off, it's just astronomical price. So this is all I do. I just use a roll of this. Green sandpaper is always the best. Don't buy the white, it's just a waste of time. There we go, it's got it. There we go, like that. This great bit of kit goes on there like so. Punches your holes through. And you can see what it does. It punches the holes through so it can breathe through there. Let's put the extractor on. There we go. Right, first time. Obviously it's one of my batteries before. This is a 4 amp hour, but you can obviously get many different other ones that are for that product. Flick them on. Let's see what happens. Yeah, seems a bit quieter than the other one. Actually on and off, a nice rubber switch. That's the same as the other one. Seems a bit quieter. Let's give it a go, see what happens. But yeah, that's basically it. Nice and handy just to pick up, really. And the other one, so I'll give it a go. Alright, silly me, forgot my corona mask, but got the corona mask now, so we're alright. But let's just have a quick look, see how much dust it collected. Not much out of there really, a bit disappointing. Usually what I do, I put a vacuum hose on there, so you make sure we get it all out. But first impressions, probably, let's give it another go anyway. Scooter dust. Right, first impressions are, compared with the corded version, this is more bulky to start with. It's a bulkier machine. The other one is much easier and lighter, obviously because you're carrying a battery I suppose, but if you had a lighter battery, but there again it wouldn't last as long. Power. Yes, we're going all that time, it hasn't used one bar yet. Yeah, so that's the first thing. It's a bit bulkier, but that's not an issue in any way, shape or form. What I did notice, which is probably more important over the corded one, it hasn't got so much oomph with it, as in torque I would say. Speed seems alright, no problem with speed, but actually torque, it doesn't seem to have the same grunt and torque. But other than that, it's done a great job. This is only a very fine, I think this is 120 grit, this one is, so I'd usually use a 60 maybe on that, but that's come out fine anyway, so that's no problem with that. But yeah, for an easy pick up and go tool, save getting all cables one thing or another out, finding a power supply that works, or is actually switched on. Yeah, it's good, yeah. So first impression's good, but I'm giving you negatives as well as positives. So positives are light, easy to pick up, quick and good to go. And slight negative, it's a bit heavier and a bit bulkier. My other one, I know I can just easily pick it up like that. Got no cord to work around, so that's a positive. Other than that, it's exactly the same. Like I say, it hasn't got the torque to the other one, but there again, do you need it? You know, if I was doing a ceiling or something like that, or a large area, I wouldn't pick this up. I'd pick my corded one up. But other than that, okay, great. Thank you very much for watching. I'm not sponsored by Dewalt. This is just purely myself as a builder doing this. Thank you very much.